Hello everyone and welcome to Edge Time. Today we have a cool new knife from CJRB. This is the prototype CJRB Lanky. This has actually not entered full production yet, just a prototype right now. So let's take a look at it, or it may have entered full production, but I mean you can't buy it yet as a full production. And I believe all the prototypes are sold out at this point. So let's check this thing out. Getting into it here with the new CJRB Pyrite slip joint. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. Got our CJRB polishing cloth, and there it is. Wow. Oh my goodness, it's light. Very light. Get this thing open here. Oh boy, it's pretty too. I honestly didn't expect it to be this pretty. I mean, it is just really good looking. This is aluminum and AR-RPM 9. Let's get it open here. I let my finger get in the way of the front flipper there. Come on, get open. There we go. Yeah, so you just have to make sure that your finger stays out of the way of that front flipper, or you can use the front flipper. Very nice. So yeah, there's not a whole lot of force in deployment just because it's an extremely light blade. I mean, it's obviously very thin, very pointy. So I mean, yeah, you're just gonna have to. It's not gonna like glide open like a lot of other knives are now. I mean, it's not poorly built, and it is riding on bearings, but yeah, it's just got an extremely light blade. So yeah, I like it. This is designed to sort of fit in the pocket like a pin. So the pocket clip is actually mounted on the back like this, which is a little bit different. Really cool. It's aluminum, and it is just featherweight. It is extremely light. And like I said, nice blade of AR-RPM 9 steel. It is designed by the guy from Have a Nice Day Knives. I don't know if, yeah, let's see if I can get the camera to focus on that. Yeah, you can kind of see it there under this rather harsh light. I do not remember what the guy's name is that designed this, but yeah, it's a really cool knife. It's very much a gentleman's knife. Nice smooth liner lock there. So yeah, pretty cool. I don't really have any major comments on it so far. I'll probably be carrying this. I probably won't be carrying this as much as some of my other knives just because the situation in which this would be carried, I don't find myself in all that often, but I'll try to fit it in with the rest of my everyday carry. So, and this is one of those knives that really doesn't fit like a knife in the pocket. It fits more like a pin, so it should be very easy to carry along with other knives. So yeah, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and do some size comparisons here. We'll just use a couple newer knives. So it's a little bit longer than a pyrite, since this pyrite is pretty much the same size as most other pyrites. Let's put it up against the new Chavez Redemption X-Lock here. Yeah, it's definitely longer than the Chavez. I wish I had a CRKT CEO or like an LCK or something to compare it to, but I do not. This is actually really like the only gentleman's knife that I own. Like true long sleek gentleman's knife. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna guess that this is about, well, I know it's like right around 3.5, but let's see exactly how long it is if I can find my ruler. Here it is. Yeah, we're like right. Actually, it's a little bit closer to. Yeah, it's about 3.5 inches plus about an eighth. So, or not. It is an eighth of an inch shy of 3.5 inches. That is. That's, yeah, eighth of an inch shy of 3.5 inches. If I felt like it, I would do that conversion in my head, but I don't feel like it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Like I said, I like it so far. I'll let y'all know how it works. Thank you all for watching this short unboxing video, and make sure to check out my other videos. I have a lot of other unboxings, knife reviews, stuff like that. So, hope you all enjoyed this one as much as I did. I will see you on the next one. Have a good day.